Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy stitch pattern that you could use to make multiple crochet projects. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to do this very simple stitch pattern, and you can use this to make blankets or shawls, handbags, pillows, lap throws, whatever project you would like to make this for. And it consists of a section of these raised stitches and then a section of single crochet. You can either start with the sections of single crochet or with the bobbly stitch, which I have started with. So let me get started. And I'm going to work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Or you could work with 1 strand of a bulky yarn. And start with a foundation chain in any number. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, single crochet in the 2nd stitch from the hook, and each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, when you've worked your row of single crochet all the way across the row, the next row will be a bobble row. You're going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in that very first stitch, and that's the 2nd stitch from the hook, single crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to make a triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Single crochet in the next stitch. And that's going to produce that bobble. Triple crochet in the next stitch. And I just kind of poke that triple crochet out as I'm working, and then single crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to get this really nice raised stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way across the row. Okay, when you've worked all the way across the row, that's what that would look like. There's my last triple crochet, single crochet in that last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. This will be a row of single crochet. Again, in the 2nd stitch from the hook, work your first single crochet. And then make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. That all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And the next row is another row of single crochet. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the 2nd stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the row. And you'll always have an odd number of stitches. Okay, all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row. And that is how that looks. Now the next row will be another row of bobble, and then there'll be a row of single crochet. So to make a row of bobble, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the 2nd stitch from the hook. Triple crochet in the next stitch. Yarn around the hook 2 times, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And when I'm working this row, the bobbles have to be on that side. So before I make my next single crochet, I usually just push it out with my thumb and then complete my single crochet. And if you don't do that, you can always poke them out when you're finished. So the next stitch is a triple crochet. Poke it out, single crochet in the next stitch. Like that. And I'm going to continue across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and the next row is a row of single crochet, so chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and that will be the bobble section. And I'm going to work a section of rows of single crochet. So I'm just going to pull in my yarn. If you're going to have a border along the edges, you can just carry your yarn from one section to the other and then enclose them in a border, or you can fasten off and weave your yarn ends into the finished work. So I've chained 1 and I'm going to turn. And I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. And in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and now for this section, every row will be the same. It'll be chain 1 and turn. In the second stitch from the hook, work a single crochet, and then work a single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And you'll just make these sections as wide as you like. I have 8 rows of my single crochet section. And that's how that works up. So I have a row of single crochet, a row of bobble, 2 singles, a row of bobble, and another row of single. So that's 7 rows that I've worked in this tan section. In my single crochet section, I worked 8 rows. You could just work 2 rows and then go back to your tan section or your darker section. If you're making a bag, you could crochet some straps. But I got these handles at the thrift store, and I like them because when I attach these to the top of a bag, they keep the bag rigid at the top. For a casual bag, though, crocheted straps would be fine. To make a pillow, work 2 sections, the same size as the pillow, then sew down 3 sides, stuff it, and sew the top closed. That's it. That's all you need to know to be able to do this stitch pattern for multiple crochet projects. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.